from Camarines Norte Bantayog Publication. May I know what is your insight about the press conference, specifically about the SBI immunization?
With regards po dun sa question about school-based immunization program, as a student po, I disagree about that because for me po, natatakot ako for my own health due to the reported number of deaths sa vaccination po ng DEMPA.
Hello po, I am from CN Bantayog and I'm here to ask you a question about the SBI program. What is your insight about that program?
For me po, agree ako kasi sa pamamagitan ng SBI program, mas mababawasan yung kaso ng mga sakit na nagbibigay ng banta talaga sa